excuse me. S8, S9. I'm about to purchase. This is the Note 8?
Note 8, yeah.
Oh, okay.
The
The newest one. About to get the Note 8. Right now I got the S6. And the reason why I can't make longer videos is because my memory on the S6 sucks. But because this one has, I think, like 20 something gigs on the S6, and this one got like 64. So I'm gonna start making those half-hour videos again. Just wanted to show y'all. Alright, YouTube. Peace. Oh yeah, and I'm paying $484. Oh, excuse me. Alright. Lemon pepper, original hot, all flats. Y'all know how Las Vegas nights do. With the ranch. Got my fries with no salt. Ketchup. Let's get it. What up, y'all? Right now, I'm at Gatorade slash PepsiCo. About to pick up some kind of beverage. Hopefully, it's some damaged goods left over when I get to the consignee, so I can get me some Pepsi or some Gatorade. No, I'm just playing. That shit nasty as fuck. Gatorade, all that is salt water filled with sodium. Ugh. What up, YouTube? Sitting here at the shipper waiting. Out here in Arizona, had to get some of this Filiberto's Mexican food. Man, they got the bombest fish tacos. I had one last night. I was like, I gotta get another one. So I got two. It's like a fried fish, like fried fish or something. This is the fish. It's like two pieces, two strips. And that white is tartar sauce right there. Yay, yay. All right, Elroy. You know what I'm talking about? Let's get it cracking. I love you like a fat kid love cake. You know my style. I'll do anything to make you smile, girl. All right. So we got. Woo, it's hot in the motherfucker in here. Let me open this door. Hold up. There we go. Alright, so there you go. All the 7-Elevens and motherfucking Kroger's and Winco Foods, Publix, Smith's, Walmart's, motherfucking Food for Less, all them stores. Any store, Piggly Wiggly if you down south. You know what I'm saying? If you get a Gatorade, more than likely it was from your boy Las Vegas Nights. My nigga. All Gatorade, let's deliver it. know I only drink Gatorade when I'm working out, like got done with a good run. Hey, if it's free, I'll take it. You heard? Let's get out of here. Out here in Arizona, about to go to Cali. But before I enter Cali, I seen this really good fresh jerky sign on the, I think it's the I-10 West. It's like, you know what? Let's go ahead and go up in there. So I pulled off on the exit. I think it's exit 17. And we about to go see what it do. Really fresh jerky, I hope it is. Cause I love me some beef jerky, no homo. Damn, look at this Arizona cactus. I'ma hug it. Hold on. I'm hugging the cactus. Say I won't. Psych, I ain't stupid. That motherfucker look like it done been through all kind of years. Jerky mine. But let's go in there. Let's see. I love me some jerky. I like alligator, elk, shit like that. Alright. Alright. Bruh, they got honeycomb home. I'm getting some of this. Alright, YouTube, I got some goodies. Yee! Man, I spent $77 in that bitch. Everything was expensive than a motherfucker, but you know what? You only live once. Really good fresh jerky out here in Arizona on the I-10 West, I think exit 17. Man, they actually had honeycomb, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get back in the truck. All right, y'all. But yeah, like I said, you only live once, and you probably are only gonna get in certain areas once in your life. So while you're there, you might as well, you know what I'm saying, get everything that you can, you know what I'm saying? So once I get back to the truck, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. All right, y'all, peace. All right, YouTube, so at the jerky store, I spent $77. And let me show y'all everything I got. So I got milk chocolate almond bark. I got some sour mango belt candy. I got some pistachios, roasted and salted. I love pistachios. And what's this? Oh, I saw this in there. I was like, I have to get it. I remember this as a kid, bro. Astro Pops, they don't even make these anymore. I remember in the corner store in my old neighborhood in New York, they used to have all kind of like foreign candies. I remember this as a kid though. I seen this, I was like, oh, gotta get it. Also, I got this. Paid $23 for it, for some honeycomb, actual honeycomb. Look at that, y'all. Where you gonna find honeycomb at? Every time I see it on TV, like nature shows where they take out beehives, and they take out the honeycomb and the honey. I always said I wanted to try honeycomb. So I'm about to eat this as soon as I get in the truck. Man, and this is healthy for you too. Alright, I got this was 3 for $25. I only got the elk because it's rare jerky, and like, you know what I'm saying, I love that expensive shit that you can't find nowhere else. So I got some elk. She let me sample it in there. She was letting me sample jerky. This was the best one though, elk. So I got 3 of those. Got all this. And I got these 2 sodas. They're called Americana. The main reason I got it is because I looked at the ingredients and it doesn't have like all that fake shit in there. It has all natural shit. Look at that, sassafras, root bark, extracts of licorice, pure organic honey. So I got root beer and I got honey cream. Cause like most sodas have that potassium, or it's called benzoid, or it starts with a B, but all that shit is not good for you. Benzoid or some shit like that. All right, y'all, so $77 and good stuff. Good stuff. I love milk chocolate almonds. Whew. And I'm about to kill this off, boy. Let me zoom in on it real quick so y'all can see. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at all that honey draining out. My mouth is watering right now. No homo. Alright, y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all. I'm finna taste this honey. You heard? Let's see what it do. Oh, I never had honeycomb. Oh, this gonna be a delight. Hold on. Oh. Oh. Okay, there we go. Oh. Candy of the gods. When I say, oh my gosh, this is one of the best things I've ever had in life. I love honey. Bruh, honeycomb. Hold up. Oh shit. That shit getting everywhere. Honeycomb, huh? I got a fly in here, so I gotta cover this up. Bruh, this shit's so good. It's making me want to low-key get another one. For real. For real. Have y'all ever tried honeycomb before? Oh. Oh man. Oh man. So much goodness. So bomb. Bruh, that shit was so fucking good. I gotta get another one. There's no way I could leave here without getting another one of them motherfuckers. I'll holler at y'all when I get back over there. It's about like a half a mile walk, but so worth it. Round two of the fresh jerky. Ah. Hey. It was so good. I had to get. Yeah, cause I'm a truck driver and it's hard to find stuff like this.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh no. All right, y'all. So this is my haul of Daniel's Best Jerky. The sweetest white lady was in there that helped me out. I think her name was Gail or something like that. But anytime truck drivers, anytime y'all in Arizona on the I-10 heading into California, the I-10 West, please get off on exit 17 where the pilot is and go to Daniel's Best Jerky. You will not be disappointed. So my first haul, like I said, got everything in here except these two. Got that on my first haul. Second haul, got me a second bag of pistachios. And I got me a second honey. I'm gonna keep this in my storage unit. Keep this one on the truck. Cause I heard honey never goes bad, but I'm not too sure about that. But I'm definitely gonna keep one of them in my storage unit and keep one of these in my storage unit. All right, y'all. Peace. Woo, this about to be so good. Come on, y'all. Look at that. You can't find stuff like this in stores. Honeycomb? Come on, huh? Elk beef jerky? Well, elk jerky? Come on, home. All right, y'all. Peace. I know y'all remember these as a kid. The Astro Pops. Come on. They don't even make these no more, I don't think. All right. Recording my first little, my little add-in piece with my new Galaxy Note 8. Recorded my first little video with the Galaxy Note 8. And y'all let me know in the comments if y'all could tell a difference. Ooh, because I can. In the quality. I mean, yeah, it's still gonna be a little shaky, because I don't have a tripod. And I meant to grab one while I was in Target, but I said, fuck it. Yeah, man. Out here in Utah, delivering to Salt Lake City. And just wanted to show y'all the clarity. The crystal clear clarity. Las Vegas Nights, we out. Wee. The view is spectacular. Ooh, I love this Galaxy Note 8, bruh. And I got so much more memory than that S6 I had. That S6, I mean, it got me through, but main reason I was making them short videos because I didn't have no memory on my phone. But with this one, 64 gigs. Oh yeah, we gonna go back to them half-hour videos like old times, y'all. Out here in Utah, just wanted to get the mountain view with the clouds real quick. Alright. From the producers of A Bad Weather Situation comes the most beautiful scenery that you've ever seen in your life. Produced by Utah, Salt Lake City to be exact. I'm just playing. I was trying to do a little trailer. It's a straight whiteout out here in Utah. Man, it's mid-April. Well, almost mid-April. It's April though, and you still seeing snow, Holmes. Like, I'm not understanding this. back in the day, wintertime was officially over like in February. Once March hit, you know what I'm saying, that's when you saw the first signs of spring. Now you got it in April and you still see snow like it's wintertime. It's crazy. Can't be me. Can't be me. Alright, moment of truth. The desert scorpion. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. I thought it was, I mean, I know it was an actual scorpion, but I thought it was gonna be just the scorpion. This motherfucker covered in chocolate. Oh well, let's bust that open. See what it do. Oh. That motherfucker just broke. It just broke all up. I hope this is an actual scorpion. Let me taste it. Okay. Ugh. I'm good. What was that? How much I waste? I don't know. I just be buying shit. I think it was either the $5 or $4 for this. Fuck it. I'll pay for this bitch. I'm gonna eat it all.
Oh shit. Look at all the beautiful scenery. And all the trucks, all the super truckers. The super mother truckers that want to drive 75 miles an hour through a 60 mile an hour curve. Them super trucker right there.
Las Vegas nights. Las Vegas nights gets it in all day, every day. I'm 50 Tyson, straight from North South Zone, Twin City, Mass, Minnesota. I'm a ball player. I always want to be a ball player. Grow up to be a ball player. Yeah. Gee. Ooh. California knows how to party. Look at all these palm trees. Classic California right here. Look like a scene out of Baby Boy. Hey, you Jody? You Jody? I can't believe this nigga. Messing with my girl. Get her pregnant. Man, go get the heat. YouTube, I just made it to the consignee. Let me show y'all what I just realized. I just realized these niggas leave product out in the sun, bro. It's hot as shit out here in California today. And they leave it out in the sun. And that plastic melting in the product, man. Hey, yo, think twice about buying Pepsi products like Gatorade, Aquafina. Look at this shit. It's outside in the sun. That shit pissed me off because I drink a lot of Aquafina. I don't know now. Get you some glass bottles and put it in there. Yeah, I couldn't get a good video because I was right there in the front, like right there. So I know I know a worker was looking at me like, what the fuck this nigga doing filming up here? But like I say, y'all, look at this, bro. I don't think y'all can really see, but look, they got Aquafina water. Aquafina water. They got Gatorades. Hold on. This truck moving. But they got all kind of product outside. Like, y'all see that? That's nothing but Aquafina bottles right there. Aquafina water bottle packs. Oh, this nigga looking at me and shit. Y'all see that? Nothing but Aquafina bottles right there. That's crazy, cause nigga, I go to Walmart and buy Aquafina water. You know what I'm saying? That's, man, I never knew. That should be just sitting out in the sun, just sitting there all day. Man. I used to go to the little 25-cent water machine and put my quarter in and get the gallon of water. But now that I truck drive, it's harder to find those, cause like you gotta go somewhere to like a Family Dollar or Walmart where they got those water, or like even like a Circle K gas station or something. They got those water machines outside. Most truck stops don't got those water machines, so it's like, man, like you just forced to drink plastic bottled water, like whatever's at the truck stop. So that's another reason why I don't like over the road OTR. You know what I'm saying? It's cause you forced to eat and drink whatever's at a truck stop. You know what I'm saying? Cause you can't drive this big semi truck to no little small little restaurant or to no regular Walmart. You got to go to a Walmart super center, and in some towns they don't even have super centers. Some towns they just got the regular Walmart that don't have no truck parking, so you just forced to fucking, you know what I'm saying, just deal with what you got. Well, yeah, like I say, y'all, man, think twice about buying Pepsi products like Aquafina, fucking Gatorade, like all them little products and shit. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go on one of these dock doors when it opens up, but fuck. That shit pissed me off. Look at this one more time. Nothing but Aquafina water bottle packs outside in this sun. And right now in California it's about like 95 out here today. So, man, all that plastic from the plastic bottle is leaching into the water and mixing up in the water from the heat of the sun. Wow.